Therians are individuals who identify as a particular animal species on a deep level, despite not having the physical characteristics of that animal. They often engage in behaviors associated with their animal identity. Therians may experience shifts where they feel impulses to behave as their animal self or recall past lives as specific animals. There are different types of Therians, including Polytherians, identifying as multiple species, and Paleotherians, identifying as extinct animals. Therians are distinct from furries. They view their animal identity as an integral part of themselves, while furries see their animal personas as characters. Therians also differ from spirit animals, as Therian identities are not separate entities, but rather deeply intertwined with the individual.